Hey guys, welcome to OBK Lifestyle Tips. My name is Omkar and today in this video, we are going to see what are the best beard styles according to your face shape. If you're stuck and don't know how to find a new hairstyle, then in this video I will tell you choose the best hairstyle for your face shape for men and hairstyle according to face shape for men in Hindi. After watching this video completely, you will be able to choose the best hairstyle for your face shape 2020. After doing a lot of research, we have found best hairstyles for your face shape. Haircuts for men's face shape. Like your clothes, haircuts aren't one size fits all. But unlike your clothes, you can't take a crap haircut off after a day of fielding digs from your colleagues. In this video I will tell you about face shape in Hindi, types of face sizes: oval, square, rectangle, round, diamond, triangular, oval. The trick with an oval face shape is to wear your hair off the forehead to create some volume and angles on top. This is one of the most common face shape hairstyle. Square: this is one of the hairstyle according to face shape. Men like the oval. It's a great foundation for most styles and is versatile enough to work with both extremely short and longer hairstyles. Classic, neat haircuts complement a square shape best. Think close fades, side partings and short layers. Some light stubble also gives the sharpness of your jawline. This is one of the hairstyle for face shape. Male rectangle: try a well-proportioned style that doesn't take the sides too short or leave too much length on top. This is one of the hairstyle according to face shape. Round square corners in the high recession area of your hair will sharpen up any soft edges. A full square beard will also help thin the chin area, giving the appearance of a more shaped jaw. Diamond: don't, however, take the sides too short. Given the width of the cheekbones, a hairstyle that's particularly short at the sides will only make your ears look bigger. Triangular: this is a less seen face shape hairstyles men. So, these are some face shapes and hairstyles, and now you know how to choose the best hairstyle for your face shape. Learn how to shape your beard at home, or easy methods for shaping beard at home with men's beard style and facial hairstyles for men with beard care. Tips for men. Beards look super manly and classy if you know how to trim beards correctly and how to shape your beard nicely. You need to understand your face type to find the beard shape and beard styles for men that suits you and your personality. For example, there are different beard styles for round face and different for longer shaped faces. Both could look different and could give you different results. Knowing how to trim beard or trimming your beard correctly is also important when it comes to avoiding patchy beard. There are different home remedies for patchy beards that you could try as well for better results. There are lots of beards on trend for you to choose which beard shape suits you and different beard care routines for you to follow with your beard shaving. And don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment if you like the video. So let's start the video.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.